Hello everyone, I'm Vaishnavi from first year CSD branch in Srinivas Institute of Technology, and I'll be talking about my innovation, that is stainless and fogless glasses smart eyewear. This is a type of eyewear that is designed to prevent fogging as well as act like a smart wear that lessens the user as required. These kinds of glasses are a valuable tool for people who work in extreme climatic conditions and or have disabilities. These glasses are not only fogless and stainless, but are also scratch proof and can be equipped with a personalized selection of devices. The add ons include camera for traveling photographers to capture moments, HUD display to project information into the lenses, and can help the elderly with navigation, microphone or speakers to make calls, use voice assistants, play music, listen to audiobooks, and LED lights to provide illumination in low light conditions, which is useful for cyclists, adventurers, miners, or anyone who travels in the night. So, the construction, an anti fog coating is used along with a hydrophobic material in order to make it waterproof. Lens is preferably made thin but stress resistant. The frame must be adjustable and must be able to hold any other add ons as necessary. The add ons are customizable as per the user's requirements. They range from Bluetooth, microphone, HUD display, camera, flashlights, etc. The gadgets are discreetly hidden in order for it to look fashionable. This is how it should look like. Thank you.